Men value youth, beauty, and fertility as women value strength and resources. Historically speaking, men who are physically strong had access to resources and were better equipped to provide and protect their families. So women selected the men with desirable qualities and had offspring who survived and spread these traits over time. And this led to a preference of such qualities. Youth, beauty, and fertility in women are indicators of vitality and health. And who doesn't want a healthy being? The sooner you accept this as a man, the sooner you can focus on building your strength, building your resources, and gaining the amount of wealth that can make you a viable man to spread your generation. Women love resources. This is a fact that you must learn from me. This is a selection that started a long time ago and I have nothing to do with it. Absolutely nothing to do with it. Women want men with a bright future as men want women with a clean past. I have nothing to do with it. That is just selection. That is why older women like young boys and young girls like older men. It's about survival for the fittest. Are you fit enough? Work on your goals, work on acquiring resources as a man out there. Remember, I give relationship advice, so this is the place for you. Ensure that you're working hard on everything and working hard as a man so that you focus solely on making the resources and the women will follow you. My name is Victor Raviko and see you again another time.